behind me, over across the water, is Reykjavik. So we're in Iceland. Look over there and check out those mountains and this view. How amazing. So right now we are under the water in this amazing feat of construction. This tunnel was built under the water. You can see behind me, this is the first hint of the northern lights. Yeah, it's a full moon almost. I don't know if you can see up here, but it's almost a full moon, so it's a little more difficult to see them. I think it's amazing. I hope you can see it. We can see it pretty clear now. Hey guys, so we're here at a place called Thingvellir. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. It's in Iceland. It's where the North American tectonic plate, actually on this side, separates from the European tectonic plate on this side. And you can see here that this is where the separation happens. There's a water channel here, still water. It's crystal clear pools, and it is truly amazing. It's about -2 degrees Celsius, maybe -3. It's a little chilly, but I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to put this together with a video from Reykjavik tomorrow, and I hope you guys can do some research on Google or something and understand how the tectonic plates work and how amazing it is, how amazing geology is. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Come back. He loves you. Or she. Oh, and the second one is coming. Yes, that feels weird.
Hey guys, so we're in Iceland. As you can see, there's some amazing things. I'll show you some pictures of the waterfalls and the land. But we came across some really friendly horses here, and it seems like they like this grass out here. But I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the first glacier I've ever touched. You can see over here, there's some tours probably with people with some real gear to climb up it. We're gonna try and go as far as we can and be safe. But this is the start of the glacier here in Iceland. It's amazing. It's so windy, you can't believe it. I have this volcanic ash all over my face because the wind is just picking it up and throwing it in our face. But look at this. This is millions of years of frozen water from the Ice Age. It's amazing. See you later. Alright, so we're in Reykjavik. This is the capital of Iceland. It is the northernmost capital of any sovereign state. It is one of the safest, greenest, and cleanest cities in the world. I'll write how to spell it right here. As you can see, there's a Viking store right here, and it looks like there's an all year round Christmas store right here. But anyway, the wind is crazy, so we're gonna go warm up and eat something. See you later. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys soon. So that was a quick travel video of Iceland. The next couple minutes are just going to be some more locations that we shot while we were there. So please enjoy. See you later.